Hi, I'm David Cantor with the Law Offices of David Michael Cantor. Today I'm going to talk about the San Marcos Justice Court. Now, the San Marcos Justice Court takes tickets for DUI or misdemeanor crimes, and those tickets have to be from people who are arrested by DPS or Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. If you were arrested by a city cop, you should have been sent to the city court. Now, the jurisdictional boundaries of the San Marcos Justice Court are Elliott Road to the north, Hunt Highway to the south, Gilbert Road to the east, and I-10 to the west. Now, this is not a perfect rectangle. This is the actual boundaries, jurisdictional boundaries of the San Marcos Justice Court. You see how they jog in and out over here? Well, that's why it's important. If you're cited and told to go to the San Marcos Justice Court, come on in and see us, and we'll make sure that you're actually arrested within those boundaries. Because if you weren't, you have a jurisdictional defense that could get the entire case thrown out. Now, this particular court is located at 201 East Chicago Street in Chandler, Arizona. That's basically Chicago and Delaware Street. It's what's known as the Santan Regional Court Center. That holds about 4 or 5 courts, but the courtroom you're looking for would be the San Marcos Justice Court. Now, the parking out front is free and it's plentiful. Make sure you dress appropriately. No hats or sunglasses, no shorts or tank tops. Dress like a pro. When you go in there, the judge is going to be Keith Frankel. Now, Keith is very gruff. He's very state-oriented, in my opinion. He's issued a lot of rulings that I felt were legally incorrect to my office, and they're always for the state. So, if you have this particular court with this judge, I would get a defense attorney. Now, what you need to know about the JPs, or the Justices of the Peace, most of them never went to law school, and they're not lawyers. What they did was they were elected in a popularity contest. Then they were given 6 weeks of training and told they could judge people. Could you imagine a surgeon, you just elect some random guy in a popularity contest, give him 6 weeks of training and hand him a scalpel? I wouldn't feel very good about that. So if you're charged with a DUI or misdemeanor crime and told to go to the San Marcos Justice Court, call us for free initial consultation. We'll get you into our office, and in the privacy of our office, we'll go over your case from top to bottom, and hopefully we'll find a way out of this thing for you. But if that situation applies to you, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.